you open this?
It's me, Tiffany Taylor, and today we're gonna try this new kids makeup kit for my Halloween makeup and Hazel's doing her zombie rainbow unicorn makeup. Or to subscribe. Oh. And click the little bell right next to it so you know when I have a new video. Follow us on Instagram. I have an Instagram and Hazel has an Instagram. Okay, cool. This is it right here. Hazel, get it! So today, you're gonna get ready with us for Halloween. Let's go! So first we're gonna do our Halloween makeup. And we're gonna use this, my first makeup set. Well, let's open it. How do you open it? I'm going to see pink. Whoa! Oh, so what? That looks like an tiny iPad.
It's pretty big. Wow.
Oh, it opened by itself. Look, sisters. Whoa! So we got some little lipstick there. You got to choose some colors. Oh look, he's also opening the other one. Whoa, it's different colors in them.
So let's get started.
So Hazel's gonna go first. Pink.
This glitter, it's already running out.
Oh, it's glittery. Hazel's not going to choose her color with the lip just to get it. Look in the mirror. You can't really see this lipstick, so we're just gonna use our purple one that we got. And last, he was gonna put blush on. It's my turn to make up my face with some makeup. So let's do it. I'm gonna use the new one. I'm gonna start with eyeshadow, and the color eyeshadow is probably like a turquoise color. Now we're gonna add the scary spooky glitter. Now we're gonna do the lip gloss, but if it doesn't work, we're just gonna use our other one.
Look, this is how the lip gloss is. I don't know about this. I think we're gonna have to use our other one. You can't see anything, just look.
I'm gonna use this color. My lipstick is on, and next is blush. I'm gonna use this brush, and I'm gonna use this blush.
And you know what? You can't really see it, but that's okay. And that's it. Here's my final makeup look.
So I hope you're enjoying this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up so I can make more videos. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Take off.